Hello and welcome. I've got in front of me a Le Voyageur motorhome. I really like the style of this one. Maybe it wouldn't quite suit me, but this is a real living motorhome. Le Voyageur 6.8LF, nearly 170,000 euros. It comes with all of this. I'm not going to read the whole thing out now, it's too long. But what I can tell you, which is important, 680 centimeters long. It's got an inner height of 2 meters. Outer height is 295. Put it on a 3.5 ton basis and it still gives 35 kilos of payload. This is it. This is the lounge. Up above the lounge we've got a bed, and to the rear we've got a kitchen. There's a double floor with which can be used for storage, which is a pretty good use for a double floor, and I'll just demonstrate that now. There's your black tank, and up front here, up rear, I'll show you in here, is, there you go, continuing the black tank. I thought it was going to be the clean tank. Usually the black tank's at the rear and the clean tank's towards the front. Anyway, shows the double floor. In the washroom we've got, oops, how do I open this? I can't remember. Forgot, sorry. There we go. The catches are below. They changed it, sorry. I should have remembered because it's not the first one I've actually videoed today. Catches are down here. It's a new type of catch which I've only seen in this. Can't you think see that? There we go. So press this like that and it opens. A lot of storage in there, and there we go. There's your wardrobe. Isn't that great? Note also that your clothes here come towards you as you open and close the door. Alder heating, which is probably the best system. I'm not knocking Truma because Truma is very good. I have Truma in my van. Maybe I'd rather have Alder. It's a really good system. I'm not so keen on sinks like this. They look great in somebody's house. I don't think they're practical in a motorhome. At least that's my opinion anyway. There's the toilet, and in the enormous shower. I'm going to get in the shower now just to show you. So there, I'm putting the camera towards the, look how much space there is in here. Look at all of this space. So that is something quite positive, I think. Now, what this is though, it's a sort of a kitchen on wheels, if you like, and you've got all of this massive area for preparation, food storage, maybe not just food storage, but storage of other things as well, and access to the garage from here. And see how big the garage is. You've got lashing straps, you can get a couple of bicycles easily in there, and probably a lot more stuff besides. Here we've got a shelf system which has a cover of a sliding door which comes down. Above we have more storage up there, and the hinge, I can feel really good quality, I can feel that. And here we've got storage as well. I'm not so certain the point of this, but at least it's got, and it's, particularly as it doesn't go the full length. I don't know who would have thought of that. That's a bit daft if you ask me. It should come the full length, but it doesn't. Okay, maybe there's a perfectly good reasonable reason for it. Don't know what it is myself. There you go. It normally would have these grid things over the hobs and knobs. They've taken them out to stop other people taking them. And so when you see me doing a video with a Le Voyageur knob on my cooker, you know where it came from. Here we've got shore power, and look at the first time that I've seen one of them. The mini I think it's, what do you call that? The USB-C in a motorhome. Absolutely the first time I've seen one. In a motorhome, I've seen plenty in other places, but in a motorhome. Useful to have a mosquito net. Okay, and now we have, okay, you see the size of the kitchen, the shower unit, how far it goes back. Alright, so how far it goes back. So this is all the shower unit. See? Quite a long shower unit. And here, so we've got the fridge. There's the freezer bit of it. Fridge is below. And the door will open both ways. Just to make the point. I'll make this point as well if you insist. There you go. Up here, storage, and the bed is above. Now, as a rule, I don't like beds over the cabin, and cause I feel you can bang your head all the time every time you come in and out. And yeah, I've got a bed over the cabin in my vehicle because I bought it used. I got what I was given. The thing in this vehicle, where else is the bed going to go? That's a great place to put it in this case. And so to get the bed to come down, you put the chairs down, then the bed drops down. Turn this, it'll come down. Some, I think it also comes with the possibility of an electric one. You don't want, in my opinion, you know, so I can't say what you want, but in my opinion, better something like this, manual, not electric. In my opinion. Don't over-engineer something. On a Fiat basis, you've got a door on this side, and on this side you've got a nice looking sideboard with space to keep a pile of junk in there. Coming over here gives you a good view of the kitchen. There you go, and there's more storage. Up here you can see what's going on. So you've got up here will be the turn things on and off. Oh look, it is electric. Sorry, there's me telling you it wasn't, but it is actually electric. I thought it was manual. My mistake. And from here I can actually put it up and down. Here we have the ALDE heating menu, and there's the Truma Duo system for hot water. Right, good. Let's come out. Door with a window and a pouch. So we've got more storage, that's for the gas, and here we have the garage, which we saw from inside. Great sized garage. Now Frankia did a model very similar to this around 2017 or 18, I can't remember now, and Le Voyageur is in the same group as Frankia, and so they took from Frankia to Le Voyageur. That was the idea, and that's what it looks like now. This for me is my favourite vehicle in Le Voyageur range. If they wanted to give me one, this is the one I would actually take. So thanks very much for watching. You can see the other vehicles from Le Voyageur in different videos, but for the moment, all the best from me in Germany.